Hi, today we're going to be looking at glue. We're going to be looking at some different types, just a short video on each one, just to tell you what's good, what's fast drying and different applications. So let's hop in. The first glue we're going to look at is the Helmar's 450 Quick Dry. I've done a bit of experimenting with this and I found that it's a pretty good all-round glue. It's a fairly rubbery sort of a glue. I did some different samples here. I just attempted to peel the edge of it there, but we've got Tombow, Glossy Accents, Arlene's Tacky Glue, and then the Helmar here in a fairly broad strip that I put down. Now, the thing that I liked about the Helmar was that it was extremely quick to dry. It was well and truly tacky dry within 10 minutes, and whereas the others, in fact the Tombow is still a little bit tacky now, several hours on, the others took a while. Glossy Accents was the second fastest to dry, and it also gives that beautiful sheen. One of the things I really liked about the Tombow was the way the top works. It's basically just a half a screw after you've taken off the initial label, and you get a very fine point in there which we can use to quite precisely apply. I'll just bring this up closer so you can see it better. A bit of a mess trying to move it there, but you can see there we can quite precisely put jobs on. Even though it's tacky and pulls off with strings, because it dries very quickly, that can easily be snapped off. And if you put it into the wrong spot, within a couple of minutes, you just let that tack dry, you can ball it off with your finger and it will come away and leave a nice clean surface. So to test the glue out, we're just going to try sticking down one of these flowers. So the glue says to apply it to one surface only, so I'll just put a small blob on the back there. Maybe a bit more. That's better. So you can see there I've got just a little bit. We'll stick it down. I'll have the clock up here so you can see how long it's left for, so I'll just leave it there for 1 minute or so and see how it goes. Alright, so we'll tip this over so you can see in that very short amount of time it is solid. It's not falling off, but it's still tacky enough that if I wanted to pull it off, I can pull it off and put it back on again in a different position, and there it will stay. So it's fairly versatile that we can move it around like that.